I was 16 when I learned that hearts can break without a sound. One phone call in the middle of the night turned my whole world upside down. And ever since that moment, I've been carrying invisible weight, smiling in conversations while slowly drowning every day. People say that life keeps moving, like that makes the hurt disappear. But nobody talks about the silence or the nights you face your fear. Sometimes I feel so tired of pretending I'm alright, like I'm fighting every battle with nobody by my side. And I know the world keeps turning, even when your soul feels weak. And I know some won't stay open no matter how long you sleep. I wish I could hide myself from all the hurt in my life. I wish I could fly so high to where nobody sees me crying. But one thing I know is life never goes your way. One day it gives you love, the next it takes away. Still I wake up every morning, even when I'm barely breathing. 'Cause if it's not okay, then it's not the end of life. With tears behind my eyes, held friends while breaking too. Learn that pain can sit beside you, even in happy rooms. I've seen the people come and go, like seasons changing overnight. Some became my safe place, some just told me how goodbye it feels like. And there were nights I almost gave up, thinking nobody would care. But somehow my heart kept beating, even in complete despair. Maybe strength ain't always shouting, maybe sometimes strength is this, getting out of bed each morning when your whole body wants to quit. And I know the scars we carry shape the people we become. And I know some days feel endless, but the darkest nights still end with sun. I wish I could hide myself from all the hurt in my life. I wish I could fly so high to where nobody sees me crying. But one thing I know is life never goes your way. Sometimes it builds you up just to watch you break. Still I hold on to the smallest hold, even when my world is falling. 'Cause if it's not okay, then it's not the end. Maybe healing is learning how to dance in the rain. Maybe hearts have to shatter to let the light break through. Maybe losing yourself, that's how you'll find the truth. And I know there'll be mornings where the weight feels too much, when you never reach cut deep and your tears fill your world. But I've come this far with bruises on my soul, and somehow every broken part still wants to become whole. It's too mental break from a strange and unpredictable, and it's always a loss to handle. I'm still healing, maybe I always will, but there's beauty in the broken.
It's late July on Maple Street, shoes off, resting by my feet. Don't think, don't move, don't leave. You said time was something we could steer. Fog glass, tricks and names until the steam cleared. Laughing like nothing could